Yo, what up? Another episode of Blend Day. You know what it is? My motherfucking host, Money Mike. Alright, today I'm making the orange chicken. You know what I'm saying? With the white rice. Alright, so, I kind of jumped the gun before making the video, but the white rice, real easy, real simple life. So you're going to get yourself a measuring cup. You're going to put 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. You're going to put it to boil. Boil it for like 10 minutes. Get it. Make sure it's boiling really good before you turn it off. And then once you do turn it off, you're going to just put a plate over it. Let me get the light up on here so you guys can see a little better. You know what I'm saying? Perfectly cooked, steamed white rice, like banging every time. And my little guy over here, what are you doing, Codor? Say what's up. Say what's up. Alright, back to the video. Alright, so real simple. I bought this stuff, and then I bought some chicken. I bought about a pound of chicken. All I did was cut it up in cubes, put a good amount of salt and pepper. Say hi, go and put a good amount of salt and pepper. I got my pan warming up. About to put the chicken down. Just let it warm up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just bear with me. I'll be right back. What's up, man? I'm cooking. No, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Okay? I'm back. I was cleaning earlier. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, cleanliness is next to godliness. You know what I'm saying? Alright, what's up, Mimo? What's up? Alright, I'm about to put the chicken in the pan. You hear that sizzle? Keep it at a medium heat, everybody. You don't want the chicken to burn. You know what I'm saying? You want to cook it nice and slow. What's up, Mimo? Yeah? Say hi. Alright. It's pretty straightforward. You know what I'm saying? Oh. You know what I'm saying? Put it in the pan. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. No.
But yeah. So, that's all, folks. And then I'm gonna let this cook. Once it gets to a nice cut, I'm gonna add the orange chicken. You know what I'm saying? And cook it into there. You don't want to just put the orange chicken sauce on top, like you want it to cook with the chicken. You know what I'm saying? You did. So what's up? Say hi. Hi. What do you want to watch? Alright, give me a second. You know what I'm saying? This is a good time to smoke break, go grab something. Don't leave. I'll be right back. You want Coco?
Hey, it's Olivia. I have He's brand new.
Yo, I'm just putting the movie on for you. Every day, see? Just for y'all out there who have kids, you can see how easy it is to make a meal. It's not that hard. You can add broccoli, all that good stuff. Uh-oh. 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 Keep mixing this chicken up. You know what I'm saying? Barbara? Yeah. Get yourself some broccoli and meat. You know what I'm saying? Some broccoli Gotta get my pan boiling. And honestly, on the broccoli, I'm not too like familiar or like have any recipes or anything too special on the broccoli. All I really do is boil some water, cut off the tops, of course, put a little bit of salt in the water, and that's all I do for the broccoli. You know what I'm saying? A little salt in the water right now. Alright, you know? Alrighty. You wash this knife real quick?
The whole neighborhood hates Peter Muskie, right? But not at his house. So I figured, you want to make everyone love baby? Maybe they just have to treat Peter the way his mom and dad do. Not business. Family. Baby, let us off the job.
Alright, time to chop up this broccoli real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just get up in there. Bam, just like that. You know what I'm saying? Just feel that, you know what I'm saying? You know? You know? This little broccoli.
Hey, Templeton. Do I owe you now? This is making me uncomfortable.
Nah, that one was free. We're brothers.
Oh, you really know nothing about business.
I'm proud of it.
But you do know family. That makes us a real synergy powerhouse. So, maybe, if you want, we can work together again tomorrow.
That's fun. But this time, it's gonna cost you.
Alright, this chicken is looking about ready.
Well, I'm full. Get going, cheese. I love this family.
Alright, time for the match, folks. Careful when you open the shit up. Oh yeah. Y'all got the sauce? Y'all just got the juice. I got the sauce. Time to pour some out for the dead homies. You know what I'm saying?
Seriously, where to go?
I recommend
Checkmate, father.
about half the bottle.
Templeton, when I allow mommy and daddy to get me, that's a choice. It amuses me, but don't think that means your popsicle sucking lips are touching this bitty six-pack.
Is that a challenge?
Oh yeah.
The tiger. I'm the ghost that haunts your dreams. What you gonna do?
Mom, Dad, the baby's in here.
Damn. Sorry for, the background. My son. I'm not sure. Old boy's taken care of. Don't be scared to use this. Use this. You know what I'm saying?
One more round. I really gotta get that.
Y'all can see.
To be honest, I'm not even dressed. I really shouldn't. Game on.
What it's looking like.
Oh no! He vanished!
Just gonna let that do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Just let that do its thing. Just let it do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Got the rice right there. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to go to Panda. You don't need to go to Panda. Oh shit. You just need to fuck with me, bro. And I'll show you how to do all this cool shit. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to go to them restaurants. Hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to do these challenge videos next. I think I'm about to do the spicy noodle challenge with my homie John.
Play it cool.
Alright, well, you guys done seen the magic. I'm cooking for another, I would recommend 10 minutes, Make sure it's nice and cooked. You don't want to serve anything raw. But yeah, just put the rice and then plate it with some chicken, whatever you want on the side. Boom, I'm Money Mike. This was Money Mike's cooking tutorials. Holla at me and keep tuning in to my episodes. Peace.